Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to send a brand new text message on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can start chatting with your Pinterest friends in no time. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see several options there, but what you're looking for is the Messages icon. Go ahead and click on Messages. Now that you're in your Messages section, you'll notice a button labeled New Message. Click on that, and a search bar will appear. Here, you can type in the name of the person you want to message. As you type, Pinterest will show you matching profiles. Once you see the right person, click on their name to select them. After you've picked your recipient, you'll see a chat window pop up. Click the Next button to move forward. Now you're ready to type your message. Simply click in the text box at the bottom of the chat window and start typing whatever you'd like to say. Once your message is ready, all that's left to do is click Send. Your message will instantly be delivered to your friend on Pinterest, and you can continue the conversation right there in the chat window. That's all there is to it. With this new update, sending a text message on Pinterest from your PC is quick and easy. Whether you're sharing inspiration, collaborating on boards, or just saying hello, you can now connect with others in just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.